me, sit my stupid ass down.
He's got to press him. He's got to go chase that finish down now.
Alright, so here we go with round one. There aren't many women in this division that can strike with her, but she's got to avoid that ground by return too.
She has to. And I think you look back to fights like Ronda Rousey versus Amanda Nunes.
Right.
Amanda Nunes versus Miesha Tate. Fighting these fantastic grapplers, Amanda always maintained distance until she had him hurt. So she needs to follow that game plan. She has to call on her inner lioness in her approach in this fight. Real quick leg kick. And that right hand landed
So
square.
both girls landing right out of the chute. Mixes it up nicely in terms of staying heavy and also staying active. Well, she continues to leave that head open, and she paid for it there. She's almost moving into the strike. She hasn't changed up her tempo, and she continues to keep her head on that center line. We'll see if she can make the proper adjustments here.
I mean, look at the commitment to kick this fight.
Well, she's got a good jab. Missed with it there.
Nice punch lands over the top.
Both fighters exchange in the pocket here.
You don't know when that leg kick comes.
Oh, that's going to soften him up massively to the body.
Oh, nice right hand.
I'm not sure her striking has ever looked better, DC. Finding the range with relative ease tonight.
She's doing a great job of timing everything. She is seeing everything out there.
Oh, and she connects there. Beautiful punch.
Great punch, but what's next? What is she going to use to follow it up? Good jab.
She's going back to that this straight right hand, unable to connect.
Nice leg kick.
Left hook to the head. Wow, huge head kick. Lands a big right hand. Rousey gets hit by that leg kick. May not be a bad idea to start to check some of these.
There's no tell on that leg kick.
Hard shots landing on both sides here.
Look at the turnover in that kick.
Oh, strong hook to the head there by Ronda Rousey. Horn sounds for the end of round one. Fighters get after it. You saw the beginning of round one. A little bit of a feeling out process. Entertaining round, don't get me wrong. But we will see here in round two if there's an uptick in the aggression on both sides. Oh, blocked the shot there and delivers the straight counter. Rousey gets caught with that punch. Don't be
Oh! She can't take pictures now. She has to react. She has to go chase the finish.
Oh, big left. Outstanding output on both sides. Oh! Well, you hate to be overly critical because she has landed some good shots, but really nothing in terms of combinations.
She's got to let it fly, man. She needs to let the combination fly. She's got to find the confidence going. That all that repetition, all that work with her striking specialist is that you have to be upright. When you're facing a full-on mixed martial artist, expect a level change. We're going to see what type of improvement she's made in terms of...
Beautiful diving strike land.
She can't take pictures now. She has to react. She has to
Alright, so here we go as round one gets underway. Two world-class level strikers here, and the expectation is we're going to get a kickboxing match here in the octagon.
Yes, we are going to get a striking match. One guy is very good at kicks. The other guy has unbelievable hands. Let's see what type of attack is going to win the battle of two great stand-up fighters. Big punch lands over the top. How's he going to follow this one up?
Oh, and he tags him with the straight hand there. Beautifully done by Dustin Poirier.
Another one. Yep. Up and the left hand.
Oh, trying to turn out the lights with that roundhouse kick, but just misses. Nice job by Dustin Poirier there. Sticks the target and then moves his head off the center line to avoid the comeback shot.
Head off the center line and watch him counter with that beautiful straight left that he throws over and over. He's got to be careful dipping his head when he's throwing that jab.
Huge block there. Oh. Just over 3 minutes to go in our first round.
Big kick lands.
And both guys really throwing with authority. He gets hit with an outside leg kick.
Oh, big elbow.
Went for the inside leg kick. Again, going back to the jab, just out of range.
Big kick lands.
And he landed the right hand there. So just 20 total strikes have landed for Dustin Poirier.
It's messed up really bad.